na Chinese restaurant ni tamale na burger ne wa omo be fro ka ko burger kwa didi our Chinese restaurant because omo person omo boa omo ankasa omo nipa no ebni yi wonim say China for no omo say by the close of 2022 or so omo crop for across 200 and something million as some year millionaires.
Wow.
Oh yes.
Wow.
China ni Ghana. Your man will buy $100,000 loan. Interest that's maybe 1%.
Kitu heavy.
What do ya 100,000 Oh, be person me we na assassin na da hodo ni ya tobo ya se ha kokosi wonom no wutimi de ye. No asesa ye for no cheap labor. No idea you within the shortest possible time. Ubon said no was sausage in woko. Mwaja no hona abanfu fraba. Ana mwaja mahama ye den konya sa project no. Mahama ye den konya sa project no. Eti nana for mumma ye din na ho.
Yes.
Okay, mami ma one example.
Métier.
J4 years say from Accra to Kumasi. Yenye dualization. It is often Accra to Kumasi say ye double road. Send ye Abrochemu highway tieno. Wo kwa unshiaka. Wo ba unshiaka. So start here. Achimota to Ofanko. Eti wodru Ofanko honomono. And ye do so elections.
Yeah.
But wofa in Sawam Ediko Apeda Junction. Ni ya kwakodru baby akakakra ni adru suhum. And this is for buy no. Wamwaja to honum 8 years. Omanye. Eye nkoko bypass. On the J ku 40 million no.
Yeah.
8 years no. And omuye serious se ombeye ya. Enke na mi ne wo kasei. Enka katu kumase no. Enka yedu aru. Enka sabre enke aye double no akwakosi kumase de da. 8 years. Omanye obia no ofa kumase kwa so bia no ehu se tese wo kwa na wo transfer wo mu kwa kakra bi na wo tisi rough road no so a every month na man for some mo shocks any ade and ye dede sana wo mu di quota gu one way so kakra egokosi so hu wo man taki road na me no wo kasei ye ba ye amuakwata da Roma wayama sese no the other side no ye bie ama tese kasi nam so ataki tuwa bi na tese ehono no ye bie hokra ati this year nyankopɔ ya adomu a ye best start ye betoa so ati by close of next year 2023 no na tese wonya tu free nkrade a to Kumase no enya de a woni ka bia behia aye straight Samuel Magwejina no na amanfo nkai wonim se atamese ba ye benya term the gang of four sa kwai na ye no wose adani Ghana di ekita the same 100,000 otimi enye this is a government was it say no you change your mindset eti Ghana ni bia person your factory bia no machinery bia ade baba bia no and machine that there whatever how the baba your factory no odru quarter and no be you free won twa duty bia
good
the what media kwakọ bodo factory no said ye be ya ubetima fan crop abo manya adwuma factory no ye adwuma ubetua tax ama ban so say den ajeska
yes
and the press abanya what that's a what twene so it is same jamfi ebogo gina ho no mu say ana John Mahama time na di nefo one na enim John Mahama time no bia isu ha
yeah
wo musa go fa branch e bia fe ka wesen Ka papa bi obi ade baba bi aka we say eje ka de free body sam.
Yeah.
Ka papa bi a wo je free sam. Why nanti wo krom ase? Ebra Akufo Addo baye. Ye twitwa some of the taxes mu no. From ha obi amose.
Ombose pa mekai.
Obi amose. Ewo mo ansa ye ka say no. Nkofo yi ba be free akonya so no. Values na omu program wo system no mu no. Na you too high.
Yeah.
Eti hwe ya na si da bi. Ade yenti so kakra. I don't have benchmark values to buy.
Yeah.
And then Sabi je feature no say who said was feature mu.
Enya kura.
What the commissioners value. Eti I don't know embase one wo you know. The commissioner no pen. And wo twama.
Which is a lie. Yes, which is a lie.
Which is a lie. Solid. Me wo clearing agency.
Good.
Me give me all the time. Me nim. First, you near more CCBR. That will share values to what's on the ade. And then Akufo Addo buy a brand benchmark buy in the Kaika home. Yet I him. That's so out of propaganda. Was said that body team at Detroit at Tedden converging. Ghana ni wati one go research it. Hey, and you say that here. Omo kadom review. Ana yo me say e be kakra ho. Omo be ka say John Mahama na ya akoso modam. E be kakra. Wan hwe ya inframa ye hu no okrom a. Omo be ka say John Mahama de inframa no bae. Everything in this country John Mahama. Eti Rollins are obedi o man isu 19 years. Wantima nyade ba ko pese kura. NDC for betima ka say we Rollins na ye. Hey. Just wo. Hey, atamisi ba ye wa nyade ba ko kura. NDC ba ka say oh, atamisi na ye sade we. Everything in this country John Mahama. Then say me koya yi obi go. You can say short cutting of Pokuase interchange.
Yes.
The video will come up.
Yes.
Or Safumafo at the greedy president in speech.
Yes.
Omukoko twa yi na no watch reta ma ye di bewie and the guy ga ho. Also, and this is for the John Mahama picture akoto Pokuase interchange photo no so. Say thank you John Mahama for giving us this interchange.
Hey.
I mean, yare anasi dey. Yare. Che tema motorway interchange. A brand this for us no. At a time and I started say runabout first day runabout to motorway runabout.